So, hi, welcome to my midterm break reading week vlog thing. Basically, I have break for like the next week or so. I just finished my econ midterm and I'm done class for the day. So, I'm at Safeway right now, buying things like toothpaste because I'm running out. So, yeah, I guess this video is just gonna be a compilation of my week and we'll see what happens. So, yeah. Introduce yourself, please.
Hi, I'm Tiana.
Actually, they already know who you are. Never mind. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Christina, and I love my string cheese. Bye.
Hi, it's freezing. It's 12?
Wait,
it's like 12.
It's not even like below 0 degrees and I'm literally so cold.
We finished our math assignment for the week. Oh, this is Amy, by the way.
Hi, I'm your favorite subscriber. Oh my goodness, how did I run into my favorite YouTuber? That's crazy.
Okay, so basically when we were doing our homework, the power went out. Completely normal, and that's because right now there's a windstorm.
If it wasn't obvious already.
Yeah, if it wasn't obvious already at UBC. So yeah, it was great. Oh my god! So yeah, okay, I'm just gonna put this away for now. I can't walk. Yeah. My hair's on my face. No, use the umbrella. Feeling right now, Christina?
That was totally worth it. An hour and a half of, oh my god, commuting and walking on the highway for like 20 minutes.
Bro!
No.
Okay, but how? No, okay, but the thing is that power went off at UBC yesterday and here too. So this is just weird. What the?
Kind of a vibe though.
Hi, Claudia. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi.
Some of the people that were in the studio, they were like doing like boxing or something. Anyways, they left, so I have this space all to myself. Now I'm learning Blue Flame by Astro because I want to learn every chorus of every Astro song because I have returned to my Astro era. So yeah, I guess now I don't have to practice with AirPods, so time to see me practice, I guess. Hi everyone. This is the first time I'm actually starting the day with vlogging. It's the Monday of the break. So today, I know it's a break, but right now I'm gonna go eat breakfast and then I'm gonna go work on my math group assignment. And then later I'm gonna go to the beach with my friends. So yeah, let's go. Hello everyone. So it's Tuesday and today I was actually gonna be a little more busy today, but I had to reschedule some of my plans with my friends. So today I'm probably gonna do some homework. Go to the studio, and I have like a retreat hangout type thing, I don't really know, later. So there's also that. So yeah, today is gonna be a very fun day. So let's go.
midterm break. Well, technically not. Break ends tonight for everyone, But then our classes are canceled tomorrow, so we get another day off.
Yeah, and we only have one class on Friday. Basically, it's like a whole week off except for that one class.
Exactly.
But the break officially ends today. So I'm gonna end it here.
Bye, vlog. See you next time whenever she decides to pull the phone out and vlog.
Thank you for watching. No, I think I'm gonna vlog the showcase.
Oh, great idea.
Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.